Hi, my name is Shubham Tiwari, and I welcome you to Whiz Kids, where you get to meet some of the brightest students from all over the world. Today, we have with us Srushti Rudravar from Nanded, Maharashtra. Welcome to Whiz Kids, Srushti.
Thank you, sir.
So, Srushti has studies in 8th standard, and she's involved in many activities, both extracurricular as well as curricular. Her performance is wonderful. So we are going to, ask her straightforwardly about herself. So Srushti, please tell us about yourself, first of all.
So myself, Srushti Ganesh Rudravar from Nanded, Maharashtra. I study in class 8. I'm a 13-year-old adolescent. I study in Kids Kingdom Public School. That's all introduction.
So let's extend this. Tell us about your interests.
I love to do everything. Just whenever my father asks, may I do this course for you? Yes. I'm like, yes, I want to join it. Now, last time I had a free session of art, and I told her, yes, I will join. Whenever I get a chance, I always grab it.
Okay, so that's wonderful. And to tell our audience about these questions, not many people can answer questions like tell us about yourself, tell us about your interest. These are very difficult questions to answer for even very let's say professionals. So when you see students of 13 years of age speaking confidently about their interests, their about themselves, should appreciate it. It's very, very difficult. So you're talking about art projects, art courses, Srushti. So tell us, what kind of
Yes.
art have you been creating? You have interest in?
I do different kinds of art. Like recently, I did some mandala arts. I do painting sometimes,
Okay,
and I also
mandala
like
arts.
to do sketches. Sketches.
Sketches. Okay, that's
Yes.
wonderful. That's nice. So, Srushti, I mean, you also take part in various, meaningful platforms. You interacted with Dr. Kiran Bedi as well. So, first of all, tell us why did you want to, interact with Dr. Kiran Bedi, and how was the feeling when you were interacting with her?
The feeling was really amazing, and my experience was really good. And when I got to know that there are live sessions with Dr. Kiran Bedi, I was like, wow. And is it free? Oh my God. And then just I surfed on internet about it, but I didn't got anything. After a month, I got to know that there is a PDF of Raj Nivas, and I just logged in and then I just filled the form. And after 1 month, I got that Yogan selected, and then the process started.
Okay, so you interacted with Dr. Kiran Bedi. So first of all, tell us, do you look up to her in a very, let's say, do you want to become like her, or what are the things that you like about her?
She's just amazing. She's a responsible person. She cares about country at this age. It's just amazing what she does for us. And she was a first lady IPS officer. Her respect and everything is just amazing.
So you want to emulate her, you want to become an IPS like her, you want to help your country.
Um, yes, I want to help the country, but not in the form of IPS, in the UPSC only, but in IAS service.
Okay, why IAS and not IPS?
IPS, it is good, but I do not think that I'm that physically fit for doing an IPS job. So IS also is my preference. So first priority I give to IS and then IPS.
But you're only 13 years of age. When you grow up to be a young woman, you don't know your physique will be better, you'll be more stronger, don't you think?
Yeah, it will be stronger, but according to my priorities, I'm giving first preference to
Right,
IS.
right. But you're very young, you're 13. When you become in your 20s, when you're going to come, so things sometimes change. So keep an open mind. I'm not saying that you should not go for IAS. You should definitely, but try to enjoy this, and I'm sure you'll crack UPSC. So talking about your performance in school, so what kind of a student are you? Do you top your class, or do you get somewhere in the middle?
Sometimes I top, sometimes I'm average.
Average? Why average?
Yeah.
Sometimes what
Now
happens?
here Last year I used to top, but currently because of this online offline, I'm
Mhm.
currently going on a little bit average, and now we are back to offline. I'm
Mhm.
quite now top. Now I'm in
Okay.
top. No problem.
So is it important for you to top your class?
Yes.
Why do you think it's important? Tell me.
According to me, topping in the class is something amazing and great.
You feel good?
Um, yes, a lot.
That's nice. That's wonderful. So, what is your favorite subject? What is it that you are going to, opt for in your higher classes?
Now I love SST, so I give preference to UPSC. That's
Hmm.
why.
Hmm. So
So
you
I
are
love
going to
SST.
SST. You like?
Yes.
Oh, so you like to read about things of the past, things about
Uh,
society, everything.
yes.
That's nice. And any favorite teachers? I'm sure a bright student like you must have many good, teachers. So, do you want to
Uh,
mention any names?
yes, I have a list of names. So first is our SST teacher only, but 6, 7 teacher, that is Shobha Tibakani. She's just amazing. She interacts with the students like a child manner.
Mm-hmm.
And whenever she teach, the class is just going amazing. Everyone is like, childish. But she
Mm-hmm.
teaches so amazingly. I just love it. So I love her also.
Okay,
And she cares about every single student.
that's good.
Yes.
Any other
And
teachers? Yeah.
second is a male teacher. He is also SST teacher. So it is Balaji JK. So he is
Mm-hmm.
also like her only.
Mm-hmm.
And he teaches in different ways. He doesn't teach a paragraph in a rectifying manner. He
Mm-hmm.
first gives questions on the board, then he asks about that, and then he explains. So this is
Nice.
his teaching patterns.
So you like his method of teaching,
Yes,
Balaji sir's
it is
teaching. That's
something.
nice. Hmm.
Yes, it is something different because other teachers teach like rectifying manners.
Sure, sure. I mean, you like his approach better than others. Let's put it that way.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
that's fine. So, Srishti, you're from Maharashtra. You're from Nanded. So, not many people may be knowing about Nanded, right? It's a small town.
yes,
So, tell
yes.
us, tell us about Nanded. What do you like about your town?
Nanded is a city of Sikhs because Gurudwara is here where Guru Gobind Singh was annexed and annexation was there
Mm-hmm.
and annexation was there, and then that is something famous, and there are some special dishes of Muslims, that are chicken dishes, which are
Mm-hmm.
very special of
Okay.
Nanded.
Okay. That's
And
wonderful.
there are some Kandhar fort is there which is famous of Nanded, but
Okay.
people do not come here for seeing this kinds of things, but we can call it as speciality of man.
Right. They come on, they come to see Gurdwaras and every other thing,
Yes,
pilgrimage. Okay. That's wonderful. So, speaking of, the kind of, you were saying that, online, offline thing has put you off your track, and so your performance was not that good during that time. So, see, there are many kinds of study materials nowadays. You get, your physical book is there. There are ebooks. There are videos that you learn from. There are notes, voice notes, anything. So, what do you like the best? What kind of study material you prefer the most?
sometimes I go for videos, but sometimes
Hmm.
I prefer different books. Like I use different guides. Like first I use Oswald. In that I got to know information about a particular chapter. Then I
Hmm.
use same lessons, other guides, so that I could get information about that chapter from other textbook also.
Right.
And like this, I check off different books and complete a chapter.
Okay, so you like to, explore things around. You check one book,
Yes.
then you find another book. You mentioned Oswald; it's a wonderful publisher, so that's good. So, Srushti, clearly you have, so many things to do. You do so many things in terms of arts, studies, interacting with, people. You speak very well. I can see that. So, what do you do, in your spare time? Because one must, at that age of 13, they should also be playing around. They should having, develop their minds in other ways. So, what do you do in your spare time?
I love to play, but here there is no space because this is like front of public area only. It is a
Okay.
main road, so we can't play here. So I just roam in my house only. On terrace, I move here and there, and sometimes
Mm-hmm.
we play The games like 7 marbles games,
Right.
like this games. And otherwise, I just have a walk on terrace watching the nature.
No, so you like to watch birds, trees. That's
Yes,
good. That's good.
I like traveling.
You like traveling? Which is your favorite
Yes,
place
a
to
lot.
travel?
I want to travel whole world. If you ask,
Whole
first I
world.
want to complete Maharashtra, then India,
Uh-huh.
and then whole world.
Where do you going to start with?
Let me complete Nanded first of all.
Right. So many things to see in India. So that's great. So Srushti, tell us about your parents as well, because bright kid like you should be, we should know where she comes from. So tell us about your parents.
My father is a businessman. I belong to a middle class family,
Hmm.
and he did his good
What's your father's
studying.
name?
Ganesh Rudravat.
Okay.
He did BCom, but he wanted
Hmm.
to become a CA. But because of some house issues, he
Correct.
came
Correct.
back to Pune.
Hmm.
He came back from Pune, and then he stopped his studies because of my grandfather's death, and
Hmm.
then the loss in business, and this led to his studies
Right.
stopped. And my mother had done graduation.
Okay. What's your mother's name?
Swati Rudravat.
Wonderful. Congratulations to both of you for having such a wonderful daughter. So, Shrusti, is there anything you'd like to speak about? And speak about, you certainly got recognized by Helpage India. So, talk about your recognition. Why was, why did they choose you and your
So
efforts?
it was actually 2 to 3 years ago,
Hmm.
and I was moving here and there like that only in this classroom. So the teacher suddenly came and told that there is a contest launched by Helpage India. You have to go at different houses and just talk about them about our Helpage India, and then collect a bit money from everyone's house, and then you have to come to school and talk about it, like giving a speech about Helpage India. And then I moved almost 20 to 30 houses in our area to collect this money. Everyone was
Nice.
giving me, and then I explained about this Helpage India system.
Hmm.
And then when I gave the money to that Helpage India Association, they told that you are winner. You got the most amount of money for that people, and
Hmm.
then I got the gifts.
Show us what they presented you with.
First, they gave me an autographs like this,
Indian
almost
cricket team.
15 autographs.
Hmm.
Yes, 15
Nice.
autographs, and this and a pen and a golden medal, gold
That's
medal.
wonderful. That's wonderful. You're active in social services at such a young age. That's a wonderful thing. So, Srishti, we wish you all the best. Uh, you're very young. You're very bright. We're sure that you're going to make everyone proud. So, thank you so much for appearing
Thank
in
you,
this
sir.
show.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful. Thank you.